Thanks for joining. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own beautiful mimosa bar in your home. Maybe you're having a party or a Sunday brunch, your friends and family are coming over, whatever the occasion. It's a beautiful way to set up for your friends and family to enjoy. So to start, I have this tablecloth I got from Home Goods, and I want to say it was only about $12. So I'm going to show you start to finish how to do it all. All right, let's go. I think this is fun to start with. It's a sign. I'm using this. I got it from Amazon for about $10. And then I drew on it with chalk paint. Super simple. The chalk paint is not permanent. So if you don't like what you drew, you could erase and do it again. Next, I bought fresh flowers. My theme today is pink, so I picked several flowers in different colors of pink from Trader Joe's. They have such a great variety of flowers to choose from and not expensive. I think I bought one batch for $3, $5, and $7, which isn't bad at all. I think this was $10 I got from Home Goods. Again, it's just your everyday simple glass vase. If your flowers come with this, go ahead and use it. It's good. It actually makes your flowers last longer. All right, we have a break, and I want to give you a little tip. Make sure that everything is set and ready for your guests. That means make sure your champagne's open, your juice is ready to be poured and in their canisters. When people arrive, they don't want to feel awkward and feel like they don't want to be the first person to open the champagne or open the juice. So make sure it's all ready for them. I was thinking about it, just a little break tidbit for you. Remember I said that one bottle should be open? I'm about to open this. I'll open it soon. We're almost done, but I wanted to show you something. With any citrus fruit, let it be lime, lemon, orange, see how you have the tip here and the tip there? I'm going to show you the best way to cut citrus for your cocktails. We're done! Yay! So I wanted to show you one last thing, how to open a champagne bottle. This is actually Prosecco, but it's the same as a champagne bottle would be. That is all for now. So I'm going to get changed, jump into the pool. I am so hot. Thanks so much for joining, and I'll see you next time. Bye.